Hi guys, how are you and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we're going to see two topics. First one is array destructuring and the second one is REST operator in JavaScript. So let's get started with this topic. On the screen you can see that at line number 112 I have a array, and here you can see that the array name is doctor, and first one is the name, the second one is the experience, and the second one is the expertise, right? So in the destructuring part, what I did here is I just write const and then these names I have written in this array form, right? And here I have assigned this to the array, the one which we have already mentioned in line number 12. The name is this doctor, right? Now if we want to print these names, right, so in the console log statements we can write doc name comma experience comma expertise, right? So if I'll open my, first of all I'll comment out this one just a second so that in the terminal you can see our results clearly, right? So quickly I'll open my terminal and then I'm going to run this file, right? Yes, so here you can see that when we are printing the name as the doc name, so I'm getting Dr. A, which we have passed in the array, right? Then when we are writing experience, so we are getting this experience, expertise, then we are getting this expertise printed in a terminal, right? So this is all about array destructuring. Now next thing we're going to see what is REST operator in JavaScript, right? So for that, just a second, I'll consider this code and I'm going to comment out this one. Now let me explain this REST operator in JavaScript. So let's say you have an array of subjects, right? And subjects you have as physics, chemistry, biology, English and mathematics, right? And you did the array destructuring over here. You just printed your subject 1, subject 2, and then comes your REST operator, right? So whenever you are writing or whenever you are using REST operator in your code, you have to write these three dots first, and then after that this REST keyword, right? You have to write this. So what does this REST keyword, REST operator basically means, right? So here you can see that this is my array actually, which have physics, chemistry, biology, English and mathematics as the subjects in this array. Subject 1 and subject 2, we have already used this subject 1, subject 1 and subject 2, right? We have already mentioned this. Now this is the remaining thing, right? Biology, English, mathematics. So these all will going to cover in this REST operator, right? So whatever will be the remaining part, that will be your considered in the REST operator in JavaScript, right? So here you can see that this subjects and this subject is the same, right? So when you'll console log this, when you'll print this subject 1 comma subject 2, right? So you'll get these things, physics and chemistry, right? As what we have already seen in this array destructuring example, right? Now when you'll console log this REST operator, right? You console log and within brackets you can when you will write REST, right? So this will going to print this biology, English and mathematics. So this array you will get. Now I'll open my terminal and I will show you the result, right? So here you can see that I'm getting physics and physics chemistry, right? When we are doing console log of this subject 1 and subject 2, and when we have console log this rest, so we are getting the rest of the array, that is this biology, English and mathematics. So I hope guys that you have understood these topics, and guys if you have any doubts, so you can ask the same in the comment section and I'll be happy to answer it. So thank you, that's all for this video, and I'll hope to meet you soon in the next video. Thanks for now.